Delray Beach is a medium-sized community-driven city with 67,000 residents, walkable neighborhoods, its own tri-rail and Amtrak station, and abundant amenities. A haven for those seeking a blend of artistry, culture, and coastal charm. With 3 miles of wide sandy shores, Delray Beach is the perfect destination for a beach holiday. It's not just about sun and sand, the shopping and entertainment options won't disappoint. Explore the trendy Atlantic Avenue, a pedestrian-friendly epicenter with brick-paved sidewalks, palm-lined streets, and a small-town charm. From stylish boutiques to the iconic Silver Ball Museum, there's something for everyone. Make sure to also stop by the Delray Beach Market, Florida's largest food call. Stop by Pineapple Grove, a vibrant district blending galleries, murals, and bistros. Or walk to the nearby Old Town Square, which hosts everything from auctions to cabaret performances. Here you'll find the Cornell Art Museum, a haven for provocative contemporary works. Delray Beach is also a family-friendly haven. The nearby Sandalwood Discovery Center offers a glimpse into South Florida's marine life and freshwater environments through educational exhibits and programs. Or head over to the Delray Beach Open in February, a world-class tennis ATP tournament that adds a thrilling edge to the city's entertainment scene. Nature enthusiasts will enjoy the diverse wildlife habitat at the Wakota-Hachi wetlands, attracting over 150 species. You can also immerse yourself in traditional and contemporary Japanese culture at the Murakami Museum and Japanese Gardens. It's a serene escape within the city, featuring lush gardens inspired by Japanese finest.